Hello, James Graney here from InternetBizUni.com, and in today's video I'll be explaining why I've stopped teaching Amazon FBA. So I've closed the Amazon FBA courses that I run, the Unique Private Label course and the Advanced Private Label course, and I will not be opening these courses again in the future. This is a decision that I've been thinking about over the last while, and I finally decided that this is what's right for me. The truth of it is that over the last year, I've been scaling back my business, and at the moment I only sell 2 different products on Amazon. So with this in mind, I don't feel like I'm suitable to be teaching Amazon FBA. So the truth is that I enjoy teaching it, and I enjoy connecting with you, the other sellers that want to learn about it. But at the moment, I need to focus on where I'm going to be taking my business next, or what business ventures I'm going to go into next. Because at this moment in time, I've currently only 2 products that are in stock on Amazon. It was all right when I had lots of different products in stock and was making lots of sales each and every day. I was very happy and felt very good about teaching it. But at the moment, I've only 2 products in stock. So for me to be teaching it doesn't feel right. And at this time, I'm thinking about going in to a new business. So it just wouldn't be right for me to continue teaching Amazon FBA and selling courses to people if this isn't my main focus. For me, at this moment in time, I just want to go back to building a business. I don't want to have an Amazon FBA course and be teaching it to people and not be fully committed to that. I'll still share stuff here on the YouTube channel, you know, if I find anything that I feel like is worth sharing with you. But I'm just not going to be selling a course that I'm teaching people how to do Amazon FBA anymore. But as I said at the start of the video, if you are already a member, then 100% I'll answer any questions that you have at any time. And if you want to call at any time, then I'll have a call with you and discuss whatever it is you want to discuss about Amazon FBA. That's fine. I just don't want to, sell the course to any new members. And with that said, that kind of wraps up this video. I just wanted to bring it to you as soon as I'd made a decision on it. And that is literally now that I've decided going forward. That is the way I want to do things. So that is why I said I'd just shoot this really quick video just to let you know that. And that's it for this video. But I look forward to speaking to you again in the future. Speak soon.